Hi, this is Sean Molnar, and this is my 2013 summer bike check. Okay, I'll go top to bottom. Sorry, Dusty. We basically got Walmart tire and Walmart inner tube. But Sunday, Spark 2013, stock rim, spokes. I went to our local bike shop, Spoke Emotion. I got a whole new front axle and cone and everything because it got bent when I got hit by a car biking. But hub is stock. Then I got these green stock forks that I dusty, but I rod them, then primered them with gray paint, then I painted them. Black, glossy black. Frame, only 100 made. Sunday, Spark 2012, green, shamrock green. New black Sunday stem. I don't know, I just like it. Headset, stock. Bars are Fit Mac 1s, chrome. ODI extra long neck because I ride here-ish. ODI bar ends. What? See, I know, I'm not there yet. The Odyssey fat seat pivotal, stocks, seat post, Sunday seat clamp, stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, black, KMC 410 chain black, stock sprocket, back.
Isn't your chain red?
What did I say?
Black.
Oh yeah, it's red. Sorry. It's basically it. Same back, except the tires stock. Stock everything at the back. Yeah, that's it, I think. I'm going to Joyride tomorrow. Get clips if Cameron wants to come. Okay, yeah. Then he's off to Hawaii for 10 days, right?
Yeah.
I'm here in shitty old Newmarket. But yeah, Cam's coming with an edit, and then I'm coming with an edit. So talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.